Unit 1 Summative Exam. Don't forget, no work, no credit. Number 1. A baby weighed 7.25 pounds at birth. At the end of 8 months, the baby weighed 2½ times its birth weight. How many pounds did the baby weigh at the end of 8 months? Hint: convert the fraction to a decimal. You may pause the recording to do your work. Number 2. A carpenter wants to cut a board that is 5/6 feet long into pieces that are 5/16 feet long. The carpenter will use the expression shown to calculate the number of pieces that can be cut from the board. 5/6 divided by 5/16. Which expression can also be used to calculate the number of pieces that can be cut from the board? Your hint is KMS. Don't forget to pause to do your work. The table shows the amount of time 4 students practiced the trumpet one day. The trumpet practice times are as followed. Cole, 1 2/3. Gus, 1 1/2. Ryan, 1 1/4. Jacob, 1 7/12. Which list shows the names of the students in order from the least amount of practice time to the greatest amount of practice time? Your hint: all fractions need the same denominator, which is the bottom number. Pause to do your work. Number 4. Alyssa will correctly label the numbers 48.4, 48 1/2, 48.09, and 48 3/5 on the number line below. Which number will be located closest to 49? Your hint: convert all the fractions or convert all to decimals. Pause to do your work. Number 5. A meteorologist at a television station reported that a town received 0.95 inches of rain. Which fraction is equivalent to the amount of rain in inches? Hint: say 0.95 as a fraction correctly. Pause to do your work. Number 6. A recipe for cookies requires 2/3 cup of butter. Rama wants to make 3/4 of the recipe. How many cups of butter would Rama use to make the cookies? Hint: don't forget to reduce. Pause to do your work. Number 7. A restaurant offered cooking classes on 24 of the 30 days in November. What decimal is equivalent to the fraction of days in November that classes were offered at the restaurant? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Your hint: lowest terms. Pause to do your work. Number 8. What is the prime factorization of 110? Pause to do your work. Number 9. Mr. Gonzalez showed students part of the prime factorization of 90. One factor is missing. What number completes this prime factorization? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Pause to do your work. Number 10. Amy has 5 yards of border to put around a garden. She uses all the border to make 4 sections that are the same length. Which expression does not equal the length of one of those sections in yards? Hint: what are the 3 ways to divide? Pause to do your work.